It's Bonnie. Happy Monday. So, good news. I have my BoxyCharm Premium to show you guys. Bad news is my Bath & Body Works was delayed another day. I was really shocked. So I went to the laser ship and it said for some reason it was delayed. So hopefully it will be here tomorrow. Cross your fingers. We've been waiting on that. I also, check it out, I changed up my background. I took Easter down. And I decided to go with a lake theme because you know I live near Lake Erie, and I like to do a lot of beach glass stuff. So I decided to do something kind of festive. Let me know what you guys think. So anyway, I'm digging into BoxyCharm Premium. I actually wasn't going to do the Premium anymore, but then with all this going on, I forgot to cancel. So I'm like, okay, I got BoxyCharm Premium. So let's dig in. This one is called, I don't know if there's a name for it. I got a card. Oh yeah. I can barely see that. Look at that. It says Festival Vibes. You can barely see that on here. That's okay though. So I'm going to look in here and see what I have. The first thing I have is the Pharmacy Beauty Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Hydration Mask. That's kind of cool. I like anything with honey in it. Let's see here. Open this up, see what it looks like. Oh, there's a little spoon on top. How cute. And it's magnetic. Oh my gosh, how adorable is that? Let me open this up here and take the lid off. I don't think this has a lot of scent to it. It kind of looks kind of gooey like honey. I don't know. I'll have to figure this out. I'd like to start reviewing some of this stuff on my blog. But I love the magnetic spatula. I'm like enthralled by this. Okay, so I got that. So that was a $38 value. I got the, let's see, Peach and Lily, the Good Acids Pore Toner. Oh, I like toner, you guys. I usually use the Clinique Toner. This one is a $39 value. I've always liked a good, oh, this is nice. I've always liked toner. It really kind of works on my face. I've been using it for like 30 years. This is Gentle Exfoliator and Balance. I will definitely use that. Actually, I just ran out of Clinique in my bathroom, so that's actually good. And I forgot to order another one. So that's pretty exciting. So that is a $39 value. Next up, we have the Levito Age Away Replenishing Cream, $69 value. I have to start using more cream on my face. I always sometimes forget. Lately, just my schedule has been off, you guys. I have to get back to my beauty routine here. Grapefruit seed and Melissa and avocado. Is this Korean beauty? I think this might be. Made in Israel. I don't know. I'll try this. I'll have to read up on this. Like I said, I'd like to start doing some more reviews on my blog for some of these products. I have the WordPress blog in my links above here in my channel, and I just have to get back to writing a little bit more. So that's kind of cool. Next up, we have, oh my gosh, is this hairspray? This is funny. The IGK Good Behavior Spirulina Protein Smoothing Spray. It's a keratin-like treatment in a can. Wow. Okay. $32 value. Dare I spray it? Smells good. Smells very good, actually. I don't know. What do you guys think? I don't know if it defrizzed me at all. My hair is so big, you guys. Big hair. I definitely need a defrizzer. This smells really good, though. It's vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, UV protector. Mineral oil-free, paraben, and sulfite-free. I don't know. I'm going to have to experiment with this a little bit. That's cool, though. Okay. So that is a... Tastes bad, though. I got it in my mouth. Oh, we have something from Too Faced. What did we get from Too Faced? Oh my gosh. The Rich Dazzling High Shine Sparkling Lip. This is a $21 value. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is pretty. This is from the Pretty Rich collection. I'm a guessing. going to put this on. Let's see. It looks like a color I'd wear. Oh, wow. It's really pretty. It's pretty rich. That's like, it's like a, let me hold this up so you guys can see it. Look at that. It's like a mauve with gold little dots in it. That's really pretty. The shade on this one, is there a shade? It's called Hidden Talents. Might have a little bit too much on. I don't think it has a taste or anything. But then it's really pretty. I love anything Too Faced. I do like my Too Faced stuff. So that was kind of cool that we got that. That's a $21 value. It's a combination of light reflecting glitter in this comfortable wearing formula. I'm going to hit it a little bit low. It's pretty though. Okay. And then the last thing I got is from Wander Beauty. This is the Mile High Club mascara. I love this mascara. And I keep going through mascara because like every 30 days I pull out a new mascara, sometimes sooner, like 20 days. I like to go through new mascaras. $26 value. So this is definitely a good product that I will absolutely use. So I'm actually kind of glad I did not cancel this month because it's kind of like a pick-me-up to actually get some new stuff. So overall, this was a, let's see, 80... My phone alarm just went off. 80, 150, 200, $225 value this month. In our premium, we got the mascara. I like the variety. We got a nice lip gloss. We got the hairspray, the toner, the anti-aging cream, and the hydration mask. So a good mix this month, I think. So I was pretty excited about that. So, yeah, my box is empty. Now we just have to wait for Bath & Body Works to get here. Oh my gosh, you guys. I cannot wait. I feel like the anticipation is just building for this package to get here. But cross your fingers, it's here tomorrow. Let me know what you think of the background. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.